Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the home settings directly. Long press an empty area on your Redmi home screen until the menu appears. Tap Home Settings. This is faster than digging through main settings. Once done, look for a toggle named Lock Home Screen Layout or similar. This prevents icon movement. You're starting here because disabling that lock is the essential first action. It's what allows rearranging and removing icons without needing a reset or deeper system access. You now disable the lock and edit your layout. Flip off Lock Home Screen Layout. The change is immediate, so test by moving an app icon. Next, use Pinch Zoom or the grid option in Home Settings to change icon density and spacing. This adjusts how many apps fit per page. Create folders by dragging one app onto another, and remove widgets by long pressing them and choosing Remove. These steps let you customize the screen without reinstalling any apps. Finish by re-enabling the lock if you want to keep the new arrangement stable. It prevents accidental changes. If changes don't stick, force stop or restart the system launcher in Settings Apps Manage Apps, then reopen the home screen. As a last resort, clear launcher data but back up your layout first. This resets icons. If problems persist, reboot the phone. These steps resolve most issues quickly and protect your customized layout from accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.